Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial. Today you will learn the pink golden eye makeup. First, we are taking the pink color and depositing it to the outer edges of the eye with the help of smudge brush in the direction of V with the help of flat applicator. Now again, taking the same color and depositing it to the inner corner of the eye in the direction of V. Now taking the lightest pink color, blending this color, depositing the color to the crease line. Now taking the big blending brush, blur out all the lines. Taking the mauve color, giving more depth to the color. Blending it in circular movement with the help of blending brush. Blending it till you get the natural effect. Now taking the pressed glitter eyeshadow, applying it in the mid of the section of eye. It's a blurry hollow effect kind of eye makeup. You can use it in your bridal. Now using the Charmwork Beautica metallic glitter in the color copper, spreading it with the help of flat applicator. Now look after the lashes. You can see applying the white kajal pencil from the brand Charmwork Beauty to the lower lash line of the eye. Smudging the under eye with the same color, the pink one. Smudging it as you can see. Applying the mascara to the lower lashes. From the brand Maybelline Colossal. Here is the complete look in front of you. If you have any query, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.